Hello everybody. Today we are bench programming Mercedes-Benz EClass Cabriolet E250 CDI 207 chassis 2014 car. We are doing the bench programming, which is protocol, where are we? That's 1592, and this is how it's been connected with a Kess3 bench connection. CRD 3.10 ECU. This is who we are. We are Moorhouse Garage Ltd, located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. We specialize on DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, power loss, and we are the masters for what we do. DPF is what we know the best. Thanks for watching. By the way, my telephone number is 07533636194. Please call me with your problems. Thank you. And also click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thank you.